I am here with Ashley Graff. She is helping us out with this huge project to introduce SolarEdge Nexis. As you see behind me, there's a mural, and Ashley is the brains behind that mural.
I would say I've done anywhere from 30 to 50 murals in the southern Utah area, so think St. George, more specifically Zion National Park area. You know, I got into muraling because I love large-scale art, and what's bigger than a huge wall, right?
Yeah.
I firmly believe that muraling is not a solo sport, it's a team mission. And so we've started hiring this past year artists. It's a really cool way to empower other creators to be able to get on the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, your team has been great to work with. The Fiefia family, who has gone through some struggles recently with the passing of their son, and we really wanted to embody and embrace the memory of their son through a mural, kind of a garage takeover is what we're calling this. What inspired you after talking to the family? What are some components?
Yeah, a big inspiration was obviously Afu. The life that he led and everything that encompassed who he was and what he loved. And so, you know, we have football. He was on the football team, and that was a huge part of not only his life, but this family's life. And the ukulele music, it's something that brings something together so much, and he was so good at playing the ukulele, and it brought him and his family so much joy. And so we wanted to bring that into the mural composition as well. And so we're really merging these two worlds, and what makes it really neat, and I think that kind of ties it all together, is the patterning in the background. It's a Tongan tattoo, a Tongan tribal tattoo, and this was actually meant to be Afu's tattoo. And you know, he didn't get to get it on his body, but we thought a really nice way to still, you know, bring this tattoo into this family is to put it in their home, right? And to have it live on that way, carrying his essence and his spirit, something that they can see as a reminder every day.
Yes, it's so special. Thank you for being a huge part of this project.
Yeah.
I can't wait to show everybody the rest of this, so stay tuned, we'll be back. But wanted to give you a quick sneak peek.
And thank you.
Thank you.